watching Rose and Lauren's fashion, adventure, and lifestyle vlog. Roseanne, let me have that. Yeah, man, do your thing. This is Roxie Takeover, taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog.
Everyone, I'm going to another interview again. This is my outfit. Going to these interviews. I'm going to another one. So you guys are gonna follow my journey as I leave out to go to the interview. See ya. So way back going back home. It was a good day. I think I did go back to the interview. So I hope I get on my way back home. Subway. On my way back home. Interview is over now. I'm on the subway back home. Hello everybody and welcome to the show today. Alright, so today's show, it's Sweet Tooth Tuesday. And because it's Sweet Tooth Tuesday, make sure you guys get yourself some candy. My favorite candy is, of course, Skittles. And Skittles is my favorite candy, so this is Skittles, my favorite candy, because it is Sweet Tooth Tuesday. So we're going to be playing music about candy, sweet stuff, all of that, all the good stuff, because after Monday, then you have to get back to work. You want a day where you just like, time to relax, Roxie girl, time to relax. So it's Sweet Tooth Tuesday, and we're going to get our sweet tooth on. So we're going to get that candy rush in us. And it's Sweet Tooth Tuesday, but also, too much sugar is never always good, so please grab yourself some water while we get this party on, because you know what I say. Let's always have something to drink, and let's get the party started.
I want candy. My sister radio show on Tuesday. Candy. People send her $555 over there. You want candy? I want candy. Yeah. My sister on our radio show. Oh yeah. Yummy. So far she has 12 persons viewing her show and she got 24 loves, 20 diamonds and 22 fans. Yeah baby. Holla.
Wonderful, Cassie. I'm a little sister watching too.
Right. She's playing some nice song. I'm just trying to get the app.
Anything about me, feel free, go ahead and ask. And if you want to private message me, you can go ahead and answer any questions you want to know. And if you want to ask me any questions, you can. I'll ask you some questions too. So this is what it's all about. It's all about us chatting together. We're going to be so. Alright now, so let's go to our other song. So we're going to be playing Sugar Sister. If you're having the sugar rush like I am, this is what's gonna be going. Sugar, honey, fluffy on my candy, girl. Sleeping in public. We'll open up. Here with us. 5 heading west. Go.
for the show today, and we're gonna be going live in a second. How do you guys like my hair today? And we're getting ready for the show. So the show is gonna be starting right now, and we're going to 9 o'clock. So let the show begin. Tonight, so as usual, let's get the party started. And I'm your girl Roxie, and you're party with me. So let's get the party started.
And by the way, I'm your hostess with the mostest. I'm your girl Roxie. I'll be playing music for y'all Monday to Sunday until I change anything up. But for now, that's the time I'll be doing
Roxie had 2,250 diamonds, 42 views, 42 fans, and 39.7k and 52 views.
Nice, meet people, and party and have fun with your girl. So that's what it's all about. And I'm always so appreciative for y'all to be here, spend your time with me on your day. I hope relaxing, always as I always do, getting something to drink with your girl. And party with your girl, because that's what it's all about. And for all the people that's in Canada, I want to say shout out. Thank y'all for letting me know where you're from, because you know your girl's also in Canada. Just want to say that as well. So we're going to do that, and as I said, I'm going to be calling y'all Monday to Sunday, 6 to 8 o'clock. Go check my girl out, Rose and Lauren JM. And we end the night, and as I always say, lots of love from your girl. Bye-bye, y'all.
To be partying, so today is a Wednesday, and it's hump day, so I'm going to be playing the hump day music for y'all today. So we're going to be get started on that, on the hump day. Grab yourself something to drink. And let's get the party started. Let's go.
Why do you have confused? I can't reply.
Watching my sister show. My banana. You know my banana.
Click in. You click in onto the video, and I'll play you on air so everybody can see y'all. Whether or not you want to shake your arm shaker like my girl Rose and Lauren JM. Go check her out on YouTube if you want y'all to check her out as well. She's very easy. So go do that. And if you guys want to speak to me privately, you can private message me and tell me anything you want to know about me. Go ahead, be free to ask her. We're here to socialize, meet friends, and have fun. Because that's what your girl is all about. If you have any specific music you like me to play live, whether or not it's your favorite music or not, this is what it's all about. My platform is your platform. And your girl is about to sign off right now. So thank you all for being here, and much love as I say. Bye-bye, y'all. Thank you. See you tomorrow, darling. Thank you, RJ. Bye-bye.
Well, RJ now.
Back home. Super Bowl, and of course I'm wearing my Raptors championship hat, and I'm wearing my Toronto shirt. So we're watching the game, and I'm going to show you guys every now and then what is happening, and we're going to watch the halftime show together. We're going to watch the stuff that's going on together because it's Super Bowl Sunday. And I know lots of y'all probably out right now watching the Super Bowl. So we're going to keep it entertaining for the ones who are not out watching the Super Bowl and you are home like me and you're not out at any sports bar or anything. So we're going to keep the party popping as we go along because guess what? It's Super Bowl Sunday, y'all. Let's get it going.